I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto recipe. Chop basil leaves and measure ingredients to prep for blending. Begin by toasting pine nuts in a dry pan until golden and fragrant, then let them cool slightly. In a food processor, combine basil, garlic, cooled nuts, grated Parmesan, and salt. Slowly stream in 1/2 cup olive oil while pulsing to reach a vibrant, slightly chunky consistency. Experimenting with variations keeps pesto exciting and flexible for any meal. Try walnuts or almonds instead of pine nuts to cut cost while keeping a rich texture. For a tangy lift, stir in a teaspoon of lemon zest and a squeeze of juice. Swap basil for arugula or spinach when basil is scarce, and adjust salt to balance bitterness. These swaps let you tailor pesto to pasta, sandwiches, or grilled meats easily. Serve pesto warm or at room temperature for best flavor and texture. When tossing with pasta, save a bit of cooking water and mix it in to create a smooth, silky sauce that coats noodles evenly. If storing, pack pesto in an airtight jar and float a thin layer of olive oil on top to prevent discoloration. For long-term use, freeze portions in trays and transfer cubes to a bag for quick meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.